Every time. Can't not get makeup on these straws. Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Justy, who is excited to see me again and sitting down in like our normal filming space, I guess, like our not vlog space, you know? I was gone for a while. And then I was back for one video. And then I was gone again. Ain't that life? But now I am really trying to be back. I had my little rest. I did intend to be back after my regency vlog, but I've been dealing with some like health stuff that just, I'm not gonna get into, but I finally feel good. I feel ready to film. Do I think I can be funny again? No, but we're gonna make it work. So here we are. Me proving that there won't just be vlogs on this channel from now on. There will still be normal content. Today's grand return video was gonna be a Q&A. I asked for questions on Twitter and Instagram. But y'all sent me like no questions. I think I got 4. To those of you who did send me questions, you know who you are. You're the real MVPs. Thank you. I just didn't have enough. To the rest of ya, now you gotta deal with an unboxing video. That's what it is. And if you're someone who's just on my YouTube who's like, Justine, well, I didn't even know you asked for questions, then follow one of these social medias. I asked for questions. The absolute audacity to advertise my socials after just being gone for forever. It is what it is. Okay, so no Q&A, it's fine. We're moving on. I am very excited about this unboxing. I will admit I've had this for a little bit, but as I said, I've been not feeling great or I've been super busy, so I haven't opened it. This will still be the first time I am seeing it, just like you guys, even though it's been here for a bit. And it is for a cosplay, which means I do have new cosplays coming, for those of you who are wondering why I'm just posting the same things over and over on Instagram. Which, by the way, I am allowed to do. I am one of those people who believes in recycling the cosplays you love, or don't even love, whatever, just recycling cosplays. This hobby's expensive, but I do have new things. So, let's open a wig for this new thing. Big boy. I've already got my scissors. I really have it together for this video. Don't expect this for every video. We know that that is often not the case. As I open, I would really like to thank the subscribers who stuck around through this big long hiatus. I honestly thought y'all would run for the hills, but you didn't. And thanks to all the newcomers I've gotten while I've been gone. Also a big shock, but man, I'm happy you're here. I put out all sorts of different content all the time, so, you know, keep sticking around. It's all gonna be more interesting than nothing. I can promise that. Okay, so this is from a new wig seller I haven't used before. I do still love Evermore Wigs. That's one of my favorite princess wig stylers ever. But Evermore is the type where they're like, oh, I've made this, you know, 5 type of this wig and 3 of this wig and this, and it's very specific. You have to pick those. You can't just request characters or like there's not a wide range to pick from at any given time. So sometimes I have to go to other sellers. And this is one that Steph has used and was very happy and had great success. And I did love the format in which they allow, you can buy a pre-made wig, those exist, but you can also do a styling service where you pick a wig. So, you know, perhaps you want a lighter red than Ariel normally has, or you think a particular shade of blonde doesn't look good on you, so you want a darker blonde. You can pick the wig and then she styles it and sends it to you. So really great. It's the Whimsical World of Wigs on Instagram. I highly recommend checking it out. Some gorgeous wigs. So they come all protected. It's wrapped in all these nice little air bubbles. Let's get it out. There's also tinsely glitter, which I am worried about getting everywhere, but you know, that's okay. Pinned to the head, there was this little baggie, which is coming off, so let me take a peek. Look at this super cute Anna sticker. Oh my God. I love that. That's so sweet. Man, I love free stickers that is an extra. I can't even begin to tell you. I'm so easy to buy off. Oh, okay. So this bag is full of, we got hair, ooh, look at that wig pin. That's nice. We got some bobby pins, we got some wig pins. There's a grumpy Tinkerbell. That's me. Oh, And there was the little baggie that was, oh no, it's not a baggie. I thought it was a baggie to hold the pins. It's a wig cap. I do love the nylon ones. I prefer nylon wig caps over the netting ones, but I do use light caps as I have light hair. But still, this is nice. What do we got? Ooh. Oh, there's a stand at the bottom of the box. It like is the wig is actually on it. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Okay, let's get some of this tinsel off. Okay, so she's heavy. And I don't know if she stands up without the stand. One second. The stand is very taped into the bottom of the box, so we're gonna have to come back to that later. I'm just gonna have to hold her up. So far you can see there's a little pony sticking out the back. Can you tell who it is? I mean, the title gave it away, but you know, whatever. It is very well stored. Lots of pins everywhere, both to keep the plastic down and to keep some of the shape of these bangs at the front, which you'll see are very important. As this needs to stay as beautiful as possible for my cosplay. I won't be trying it on today, sorry. It's such a delicate, like, the bangs need to stay the way they are type wig that I can't risk messing it up, but we're gonna take a good peek. And if you follow my cosplay Instagram, you'll get to see when I wear it. Oh my God, how did I miss these? These are front and center. There she is. So there are these two wig pins right in the forehead that kept the bag from pressing down too hard on the top of those bangs, which I really, really appreciate. And then you can't see it now because all the pins are taken off, but yeah, they were all around these lovely bangs to kind of keep their nice curls. Again, important they're like that. It is very secure on the head itself, so that's great. Yeah, she just cannot stand on her own. So she'll be living in the box, which is totally fine and normal. My Rapunzel lives in the box because that braid can't be all over the place. I think the only princess wigs that don't are my Anna's, and that's because they're totally fine out on their own, especially Anna too. The back of the pony, I don't want to like disturb these curls, is done very well. It swoops up nicely and looks neat, but you don't see the hard edge of the wig, as is sometimes an issue with putting wigs into ponies. And I love that it's got like different layers of going back. I think that's very, very well done, and it's very neat. There's no frizzies, there's not too much flyaways. Of course, that unfortunately will change the first time I wear it, but that's the way it is. It all ties into this really delicate knot right here, and then her gorgeous, gorgeous curls. I think it's such a cute take on how to do the wig. I mean, I don't know if there is any other way. I've never ordered another Wendy wig, but obviously a cartoon looks one way. Doesn't necessarily give the most realistic hair proportions. You gotta figure out how to do that in real life, and she really, really has. I'll take the little net off for a bit. Oh my God, these ringlet curls. They are so friggin' cute, and they're each like an individual little grouping. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is such a gorgeously styled wig. I wish I could put it on my head for you guys, but I cannot risk losing any of the pristine condition because Wendy is so important to me and Peter Pan is so important to me. It'll have to just be while I cosplay. But I have a feeling it's gonna be good to put on. I picked an Arda wig for the specific color, and I do know that Arda wig caps are fine and sit on my head properly. They don't have an issue personally for me being too big or too small. I know that depends for everybody going by your head size, but it's not like the known wig companies that do run quite small. The color turned out well. I'm very glad. As I've said before, Arda really does nail the natural colors. It seems to be the wigs of unnatural colors that are the worst, but I mean, maybe that's changed. I haven't ordered an unnatural color in a very long time because I just don't trust them. I'm gonna make the cutest little Wendy darling. I'm telling you, you don't have to tell me. I already know. I want to put this wig on my head. I want to be this cute little London Victorian girl. I mean, it's not Victorian, but whatever, whatever. And I want to go off to Neverland with Peter. Oh, I hope it was fun. I hope you enjoyed seeing the wig, and maybe it gave you ideas for another wig company you can try out, especially if you're looking for princess wigs, which are such a pain in the butt to style and really need very particular, and it's hard to trust just anyone with. So I would absolutely trust Whimsical World of Wigs based on what I've seen on staff and now what I'm seeing here. Again, you can check out my cosplay Instagram if you want to see the photos of when I finally get out in this. Should be really, really soon. We've just got one big event, and then within a week or two, I really want to do Wendy. Thank you again for sticking around if you did and joining me during my hiatus. I really appreciate it. I will be here more regularly. I'm not going to promise every single week again yet, because I'm an idiot, but I'm certainly gonna do my best. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!